For you at 6, cell phone video from a deadly fight. Jurors seeing the evidence on day 2 of the Raul Valle murder trial, along with hearing from a number of teens involved in the night 17-year-old Jimmy McGrath was killed. Matt McFarland's your reporter who's covered the case from the very beginning. He is live right outside Milford Superior Court. Matt.
Oh, Mark, it was 2 high school house parties in Shelton that night. 2 groups of teenagers who were talking trash and looking for a fight, and a fight that turned deadly. Jurors getting to watch this Snapchat video.
I observed a chaotic scene.
Tanner Chernowski telling jurors he recorded part of the fight leading up to Jimmy McGrath's death outside a Shelton house party back on May 14th, 2022.
You didn't tell officers about this video until the 3rd time that you'd spoken to him.
Raul Valle, now 20, is charged in McGrath's stabbing death. A Shelton resident and a Fairfield prep student who was just 17. Police say Valle, who was 16, also stabbed 3 other teens at that party and was involved in an altercation at another party earlier that night.
We were encountered by 3 St. Joe's kids asking us basically who we were.
Griffin Marcinzik testified he and a friend showed up to a party being thrown by students from St. Joseph's High School in Trumbull. A fight broke out, shown on this cell phone video, with Valle allegedly using a motorcycle helmet to hit another teen. The beefing between the Shelton and St. Joe's teens continued, with texts going back and forth. The St. Joe's kids eventually pulling up to a party on Laurel Glen Drive, with words being exchanged. They left but returned, with another fight breaking out.
The defendant runs to the car. You see the car door open because the lights turn on from inside the car, and then he runs back into the fight.
What, if anything, did you hear at that moment?
My buddy Charlie yells that he has a knife.
Marcinzik says he never saw anyone get stabbed, but during cross-examination, Valle's defense attorney stressed how the 2 St. Joe kids fighting at Laurel Glen were greatly outnumbered.
So the first punch was thrown by a Shelton High kid. That's correct, isn't it?
Yeah.
And that punch hit Mr. Valle, didn't it?
Yes.
And thereafter, it did become chaotic, didn't it?
Yeah.
Now, no court tomorrow for the Juneteenth holiday. They won't have court here on Friday either. No trial in session here for this case as well. So jurors will be back for day 3 on Monday morning. Your reporter live outside Milford Superior Court, Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.